AI is no longer just a tool we use, it's becoming something we work with. Welcome to the age of co-intelligence. Agentic AI doesn't just assist, it acts, decides, and executes tasks autonomously. This is fundamentally changing how work gets done. AI brings speed and scale. Humans bring creativity, context, and judgment. The real power comes when both work together. AI is no longer limited to tools. It's becoming part of enterprise thinking. We're moving toward a skills-first world powered by AI. This shift demands new leadership, new strategies, and constant reinvention. The future is not AI versus humans. It's how well they work together. Because the future of work belongs to co-intelligence. Follow HR Buzz Daily for daily updates.